And here we begin O. We're looking at a printed O. Of course, we'll have our lead-in line. A lowercase o only goes up to the mean line or the middle line, that dotted line on our writing bar. We're going to lead in to that writing midline. We're going to create a bowl shape and enclose it. And then you'll see my yellow stroke where I, from the top, sweep away. Now we're going to make a few O's at varying heights. And I also want to point out to you that sometimes you come into an O from a letter that ends a little bit higher, a little closer to that dotted line, and sometimes you come into an O from a lower point. So we're going to write two words for O. We are going to write the word goat, and you'll see coming from a G into an O, it's a low line coming into the O, and then we're also going to use vote. And you'll see from the V, when you sweep out, you're coming into the O from a higher point. And I'm showing you that on our sample O's as well. Next up is lowercase cursive S. Of course, we'll look at a printed S and compare them. At first glance, they do not look very similar, but you can see in the structure that we are really mimicking the bottom portion of the S and forgetting the top portion of the S when we make a cursive S. So now clearing that, let's start with our blue line coming from the green dot all the way up to the dotted line. With our purple, we made a backward sort of J shape. And now with our yellow, we are sweeping away into the next letter, or if it's the end of the word, just ending the word. And then we're going to try a few S's of varying sizes. And this time, friends, I want you to come up with a word to practice with your S.